I can create a clip of anything that I have already created or anything that anyone else has already created. I wanted to jump into my computer here and show you Kloojj. This is Kloojj.com, and the cool thing about it is that you can clip out any video that exists and then you get these short little clips. So you just hover over, this is one that I made about a Pontiac GTO, and it will allow you to set a start time and a stop time, and it will just show you that part, and then you can tag that appropriately. So let me show you how I would build something like that. It's very simple. First of all, just install the Kloojj plugin if you want to make a Kloojj. You can also do this from the app. It is available on Android and Apple as well. So here's something that I want to do. I want to make a Kloojj of this buggy unboxing. So I would open up my video, and what the plugin does is it adds an overlay to any video that's playing, whether it be from YouTube or Facebook or something like that. When I hover over the video, I have these controls here. This is, let me pause this for a second. This is your Kloojj clip. This is Kloojj bookmark. So I'm going to jump ahead to the part where I want to show, which is me taking the buggy out of the box. Because what I can do is I can just start playing, I can hit record. I'm now recording a Kloojj clip, so I started it at that 129 marker. I'm going to do my little unboxing here about the car. So I hit the end clip, and now I get this pop-up indicator, and if I want to tweak the size of the clip, I can move these markers around, so I can set it to exactly what I want. And now I'm going to fill out a comment. Now your comment is going to end up being the title of your Kloojj. So think about that, a unique title for what that clip is. So this is going to be Arrma Typhon 6S BLX unboxing. That would be my title, and I can edit that after the fact if I want to. It's not fixed in time. Once I make it, I can go back and edit it if I want to. Now we're going to get into the hashtagging. This is one of the coolest things about Kloojj, and why I want to show you guys what's awesome about it is how they handle tagging. It's like a next level hashtag and sorting ability. Normally, with almost everything else, you would just start with a hashtag like RC, and then hashtag Arrma, and then hashtag Typhon, and you just go on like that, like that. Kloojj doesn't work like that. You can have one starting hashtag, and that is your root tag. Then from your root tag, you can add subtags. It knows, because it's tied into my account, it knows what I've made. I have one here, RC Arrma Typhon 6S RC Action. And I also have one here that I made previously was RC Arrma Creighton 6S Unboxing. So I want to make one that's RC Arrma Typhon 6S, and I'm going to make it called Unboxing. And then if you want to email to someone or something, you can do that here. And if I wanted to tweet it out or Facebook it or whatever, I can do that right from here. This is all I need to do to make the post. So I'm going to hit post. So it's now done. I'm going to jump over to Kloojj, and now if I refresh my Kloojj feed, it will show up at the top. And here it is. Here's what I made right here. And if I hover over it, it'll play the clip for the segment that I asked it to. So that's what's super cool about Kloojj, is that I'm not uploading video to Kloojj, I'm not having to create new content for Kloojj. I can create a clip of anything that I have already created or anything that anyone else has already created. Where the hashtagging comes in is on this little side button. Once you load up someone's video, you'll have this side button. And this is where the power of the tagging comes in. So the root tag let me make a container called RC. And then if I open up RC, Arrma Tips Traxes. This is all of those subtags that I've used. So if I want to look at all of my Arrma videos, RC Arrma. If I want to see all the Typhon videos, RC Arrma Typhon 6S. I can close that out. So I've made about 30 Kloojjes so far. I'm just getting started with the program. Things like my car videos. If I wanted to make a bunch of car videos, which I started clipping out today. So car videos, VW, GTI, here's a video about me doing light assist on my GTI. It's really cool, especially for something like an auto show. Here's an example. Let me get back to the cars thing. So something like an auto show here, I went to this, there's 20 different cars that I filmed in this video, and I will say that that video didn't really get a lot of views on YouTube. But now that I can take that same video and I can clip out sections on Kloojj, now I've got a video about a GTO, now I've got a video about a VW bus, and now over here I've got a video about Lamborghini Aventadors. How cool is that? So guys, check it out. Kloojj.com. It's free, it's a new startup, it's just getting going. I'm going to be using it more. I'll be creating Kloojj clips. Go on over there and check it out. Because a lot of my old content gets lost, right? People don't see it, people don't know about it. So now I can go back and look at my old content and I can start cutting it up and make cool videos like this. This is a video from 2 years ago about this Lamborghini. Now it's fresh on Kloojj, and you can find it by searching Lamborghini, and it should come up. There it is right there. Yeah. So it has searchability as well as it has recommended users too. So it featured me here, and there we go. 31 Kloojjes, 7 followers, and I'm following 4 people. And all my social media links are here. So they're adding more features as we go, and I encourage you to go and check it out. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching.